Hello, welcome to AirBoard, a whiteboard in the air. No whiteboard, no problem. With AirBoard, you can demonstrate anywhere. So, as someone who has seen how frustrating it is when you don't have any equipment to properly convey your ideas on a whiteboard, and someone who has used Paint to try to solve problems to friends, I know how annoying it is. And we wanted to address this problem, so we created AirBoard.
So, what is AirBoard and how does it work? So, essentially, AirBoard is a program that accesses your camera, and basically, you're allowed to take an object, just anything you can find around the house, and you can write in the air, and your friends is going to be able to see what you wrote on there. It's very, very cool. So, how does it work? So, it uses technologies which we will talk about later, but AirBoard works flawlessly, and yeah. So, here's a little demonstration about how it will work. So as you can see, Emery puts up his hand, and our gesture detection system, as he closes his hand, our detection detects that he is holding the blue object, and he is writing down stuff in thin air. And as he leaves the frame here in a second, you can see that it is working perfectly fine. And when he closes his hand, he's writing, and when he opens it, it's not. And it's there. It's on the screen, and you can walk around it. Everything works just like that. And now I'm kind enough to Callum to talk about how we built this.
So to build AirBoard, we used Python with OpenCV for computer vision to detect where the marker is, and we used TensorFlow for our gesture system that helps us know when you're trying to write and when you're not trying to write by opening and closing your hand.
So how is this all appealing to students? Some of the potential applications are collaboration. There's going to be multiple people online who can work on the same board at the same time in thin air. And the ability to live demonstrate a concept without using pen/paper will help save the trees and help conserve our environment. It's also going to be free and extremely easy to use alternative for lessons and lectures for teachers who may not as be tech savvy.
So this is it. This is AirBoard. We hope that you will give this project a try. Thank you so much.